Hello, my name is Larry Hagan. I'm a traffic engineering consultant. I also serve as an instructor with the Florida LTAP Center. I have over 30 years experience doing traffic engineering projects all over the state of Florida. I have experience in the public sector, the private sector, and academia. I'll be conducting a series of one-day workshops on road safety audits for the LTAP Center at locations all across the state. A road safety audit, or RSA, is a formal safety performance examination of an existing or future roadway intersection by an independent multidisciplinary team. An RSA qualitatively examines and reports on potential road safety issues, identifies opportunities for improvements, and ways we can improve the safety for all road users. In Florida, over 3,000 people are killed each year on our roadways. Florida is often cited as one of the states with the highest number of intersection fatalities, and also one of the states with the highest number of pedestrian or bicycle fatalities. The RSA has been recognized by the Federal Highway Administration and by the Florida DOT as one of the proven ways to identify the safety issues on a roadway or intersection and to develop the appropriate countermeasures that should result in significant safety improvements. I look forward to seeing you at the Florida LTAP workshop on road safety audits. When you come, please bring your safety vest, wear comfortable shoes. A portion of the workshop will include a field exercise where you will be outside and you'll get to experience hands-on what an RSA is all about.